Welcome! In front of me I have HONOR Watch 4 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Let me wake up the screen again. Open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this, like the battery icon with the leaf on it. And to enable the power saving mode, simply tap on this icon, tap on the checkmark to confirm. You will see the message power saving mode is on. The icon will get highlighted, which indicates that the mode is enabled, and the icon will also appear on the watch face when you go back to it, to the home screen. This icon will be appearing every time you go back to the home screen, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you want to disable the power saving mode, simply open the quick panel, tap on the icon again. You will see the message power saving mode is off. The icon will go back to gray color, and this icon on the watch face won't be appearing anymore, which indicates that the power saving mode is disabled. And that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.